After an auspicious beginning to the NFL regular season played during a pandemic, the league got news of its first coronavirus outbreak after Week 3's games. The Tennessee Titans suspended all in-person activities Tuesday after 3 players and 5 members of the team's personnel tested positive for the virus, the first such outbreak to hit a team since training camps began in late July. The Minnesota Vikings, who hosted the Titans on Sunday, had not received any positive results as of Tuesday morning, they said in a statement, but also shut down in-person activities. Both clubs are working closely with the N and the NPA, including our infectious disease experts, to evaluate close contacts, perform additional testing and monitor developments, the league said in a joint statement with the Players' Union. All decisions will be made with health and safety as our primary consideration. We will continue to share updates as more information becomes available. The Titans did not release the names of the players and personnel who tested positive, though Tuesday afternoon they placed 3 players, long snapper Beau Brinkley, defensive tackle DaQuan Jones and the practice squad tight end Tommy Hudson, on the reserve COVID-19 list. Separately, coach Mike Vrabel said after Sunday's game that the outside linebackers coach Shane Bowen did not travel with the team to Minnesota because of COVID-19 protocol, which calls for sidelining staff who either receive a positive test or are exposed to someone who has. The Titans outbreak reflects how a bundle of positive tests can jeopardize the viability of a season, as has happened in other professional leagues, though the N did not say whether the affected team's Week 4 games, Tennessee hosts Pittsburgh, while Minnesota plays at Houston, will proceed as scheduled. That determination will be reached by Commissioner Roger Goodell in consultation with an 8-member group comprising coaches, executives and former players from various team affiliations that was established to prevent members of the league's competition committee from making self-interested decisions on which teams might have to cancel or postpone games. With the Titans and Vikings schedules in flux, the N is now confronting the same issues that plagued Major League Baseball, another professional sports league that did not construct a so-called bubble environment for its teams in order to contest its regular season. Throughout a tumultuous offseason, as transmission rates soared, team facilities closed and training camp protocols were revamped, the N pledged that the pandemic would not prevent the season from starting on time, on September 10, and it did. The N had low positive rates throughout training camp in early August, when daily testing affirmed the team's obedience to protocols.